Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by confirming you are blocked by parental controls on Windows. Open Settings, then Accounts, and view Family and Other Users. Sign into Family. Microsoft. Com with the parent Microsoft account credentials. Look at the account list and confirm the target account shows as child and indicates active parental restrictions. Note whether the restriction is applied by screen time, app limits, or account protection. Record which control is preventing user creation before proceeding to remediation steps. If parental controls block account creation via Microsoft Family, use a local administrator to bypass them. Sign in with an existing administrator account on the PC. Open Settings, then Accounts, then Family and Other Users. Choose Add Account and select I do not have this person's sign-in information, then add a user without a Microsoft account. Assign the new user to administrators if necessary to avoid family policies. Keep the account local to prevent automatic family sync and parental enforcement. After creating the local administrator, sign out and sign in to test the new account immediately. Confirm you can create and manage other users from settings without family restrictions. If permanent access is needed, sign into Family. Microsoft. Com with the parent account to remove or relax controls for the target account. Securely store administrator credentials in a password manager and delete any temporary admin accounts once you finish. Reboot the PC and verify policies. Do not reapply after network sign-in.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.